Fold your scowls and take a stride forward. Your future will shift, and money will call to you. Give all you have along a broad path as vast as the sky, and courses will open. A sign that your future will be prosperous and that you will gain authority. Everything will go smooth, sailing, and auspiciously. Without hesitation, proceed along a wide road. Go ahead and do whatever you intend. Everything will fall into place. He has been a merchant since his youth, gaining experience, obtained fortunes and riches with little assistance. If a different road is now pursued, the scholar will return with honors. Since his youth, he has been a hard-working merchant. A good life is based on hard work and thrift. Since childhood, one has experienced a few barriers and difficulties. If the business and affairs are correctly managed, fame and honor will be as intended. Rain soaks into the phoenix's distinctive feathers. Even ordinary birds taunt and laugh at him. Suddenly, the rain stops and the sky clears. Its plumage remains a majestic feather cloak. A magnificent bird is drenched in the rain. Wait for a more profitable opportunity. When horrible people make the decisions, you should retreat and wait for things to turn around. The virtuous do not think like villains, whose actions reveal their flaws and differences. Only those who have been tutored can appreciate the beautiful music. Stay and silently await the uncommon company. A genuine and mutual buddy will be made. Maintain the status quo, and everything will be okay. Avoid gossip and look for a mutual buddy who knows and understands you and provides you delight. Rome was not constructed in a single day. Neither woman nor wine should bury you. Money and fortune will shortly be called. Work hard to achieve your goals. Maintain the status quo, and everything will be okay. Set your goals and stick to them. Discipline will be rewarded. Happiness will come when the golden rooster calls. The towering pagoda is everything but average. It shines brilliantly in all directions. Strengthen your resolve to worship and accomplish more good. Heaven will bless you for your generosity. Everything will go exceptionally well, according to the signs of fortune and success. Your fortune is similar to that of others. Don't worry. Everything is predetermined. Shadows cast by a candle in the wind, reflected in the mirror, like a flower garden. The perplexed child wants to retain the flowers, only to discover that they are simply virtual and unreal. It is not a good idea to aim for an empty title, like a lit candle flickers in the wind. It is predetermined who will be impoverished and how riches will be dispersed. It isn't significant to look for anything now that it's already determined. Postpone your travel to pursue your riches. Haste can breed sorrow and stupidity. It will take a long time to escape, much like a bird caught in a waiting net. Stay put and be pleased with what you have. The situation seems foreboding, and things are not going well for you. Stay and wait for your turn and support from others. All affairs will be delayed, according to the advice. The rider leads the horse and surges forth, the danger on one side and ruin on the other. The skies will send rain to convert everything to ashes, much like a house on fire. A scenario that has both sadness and delight. More good things should be done. Even if you work hard your entire life without regard for scandals, disaster may still strike you out of nowhere. Live and let live to be liberated from these chains. The gods and Buddhas have warned you of impending changes. Pay no attention to what the stupid say. It is advisable to let things alone and wait, because the old drew this heavenly lot. Continue to be where you are, not move. Wait for the situation to improve in your favor. This is an excellent final lot. You've been told everything you need to know. Do not move and place your trust in the old. You must be patient and bide your time.